Hi guys, in this video we will see how to type Hindi typing in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Very simply, without any third party app, we will type in Hindi. Launch your Google Chrome browser and here in search field type Google Input Tools. We will try writing Hindi through Google Input Tools online. Open it. Open the first result. Try Google Input Tools online. Open it. Here, click on a small arrow. To try it out, choose your language and input tools below and begin typing. A lot of language you will find here. All type of alphabetically language globally you will find here. Simply choose as per your choice. We will choose Hindi and write typing anything in Roman Hindi. मुझे MUJHE मुझे BHI or you can see Hindi typing automatically suggestion field. But just press a space bar and it will choose in. So simply you can write Hindi typing from Google Input Tools. Simply copy it and paste it in Microsoft Word or anywhere else where you want to type Hindi writing. So Google Input Tools is the very important and very interesting Hindi typing online tools.